Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable developer options on your Android TV. So first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the device preferences. Go for about. And right now you have to scroll down until you find the build number. You have to keep tapping with OK button. Right now there will be notification, we are a few steps away, and right now we are in the developer mode. So right now if you want to find them, you have to go back for this page and the developer options will appear between screensaver and the location. So when you open it, as you can see right here, we can find a lot of different options. If you make a change and you want to turn them off, just click on the switcher. Right now when we go back, as you can see, it disappears, it's not available anymore. So that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.